used to walk in shame and fear, a life of sorrow far from here. Then you called me by a new name, and nothing in me is the same. Jesus, you changed my name, took my heart, healed my pain. Now I stand unafraid, made whole shadowed night. My knees grow weak, I can't fight. But through it all, one truth remains. Your love upholds me through the pain. Your love won't let me fall. Your hand is holding all of me. Through the storm, you hear my call. Your love won't let me fall. Your love won't let me fall. The enemy tries to steal my peace. My heart feels broken, my strength deceased. But your grace surrounds, and I stand tall. Because your love won't let me fall. Your love won't let me fall. Your hand is holding all of me. Through the storm, you hear my call. Your love won't let me fall. Your love won't let me fall. Your love won't let me fall. Your hand is holding all of me. Through the storm, you hear my call. Your love won't let me fall. Your love won't let me fall. Your love won't let me fall. Wait on you. Trusting God's timing. The night is long, the silence loud. I search the sky for a sign somehow. I know you move, though I can't see. I'll stand here patiently, trusting thee. I will wait on you, Lord, I will trust. Even when the road seems too rough, your timing is perfect, your love is true. I will wait on you. My heart may tremble, my soul may tire, but I rest in you, my heart's desire. Every promise will come to view, because I will wait on you. I will wait on you, Lord, I will trust. Even when the road seems too Your grace Mr. Zion still covers me. Victory over guilt and shame. Every time I missed your call, the voice of shame still tries to say, you're too far gone to be okay. But your grace still covers me. Even now, even here, your mercy is my victory, louder than my fear. Your grace still covers me. You paid the price I couldn't pay. You rolled my heavy stone away. No chain is strong enough to be stronger than your grace on me. But your grace still covers me. Even now, even here, your mercy is my victory, louder than my fear. Your grace still covers me. Your grace still covers me. Even now, even here, your mercy is my victory, louder than my fear. Your grace still covers me. When I couldn't pray, God, here in silent tears, I knelt down but no words came out. Just heavy air and aching down. My faith felt weak, my voice felt gone. All I had were tears on my palms. When I couldn't pray, you heard my cry. When I had no strength, you fought my fight. You read my heart when words all failed. You stayed with me when I couldn't pray. You didn't need my broken song. You knew my pain the whole time long. In silent sobs you understood. You held my soul like only you could. When I couldn't pray, you heard my cry. When I had no strength, you fought my fight. You read my heart when words all fail. You stayed with me when I couldn't pray. I couldn't pray. You heard my cry. When I had no strength, you fought my fight. You read my heart when words all failed. You stayed with me when I couldn't pray. Daily dependence on Him. What tomorrow holds for me, but I know the one who goes before, and that is all I'm hoping for. Jesus, walk with me every mile when the road is hard and the climb is steep. Jesus, walk with me every trial, be the strength I don't have in me. When I stumble, when I fall, when I feel too weak to call, remind my heart I'm not alone. You're still leading me back home. Jesus, walk with me every mile when the road is hard and the climb is steep. Jesus, walk with me every trial, be the strength I don't have in me. Jesus, walk with me every mile when the road is hard and the climb is steep. Jesus, walk with me every trial, be the strength I don't have in me. Jesus, walk with me every mile. Jesus, walk with me every trial. You heal emotional and spiritual restoration. I carried pain I couldn't show, silent scars only you could know. My heart was torn, my spirit weak, till you spoke love my soul could see. Jesus, you healed my soul, brought back the pieces, made me whole. Your love ran deeper than my fall. Jesus, you healed my soul. Every wound you touch with grace, every doubt you replace. Because Jesus, you heal my soul. Jesus, you heal my soul. Brought back the pieces, made me whole. Your love ran deeper than my fall. Jesus, you heal my soul. Then my fall. Jesus, you heal my soul. Jesus, you healed my soul, brought back the pieces, made me whole. Your love ran deeper than my fall. Jesus, you healed my soul. Storm is loud, the night is dark. Shadows press upon my heart. But then I hear a gentle sound, and all my trembling melts down. Your voice calms my fear. Your words bring me near. In the chaos you are here. Your voice calms my fear. No enemy, no raging tide can separate me from your side. Your whisper stills the raging sea and gives my soul sweet victory. Your voice calms my fear. Your words bring me near. In the chaos you are here. Your voice calms my fear. Your voice calms my fear. Your words bring me near. In the chaos you are here. Your voice calms my fear. my heart feels weak, I feel like a child. I've prayed for calm, but rain still falls. Yet I hear whisper through it all. Still I trust you. Still I believe. Even when I can barely breathe. Still I trust you. Through the flood, you are faithful, you are good. The thunder shakes what I can see, but your word is anchoring me. The storm may rage, but I hold tight to every promise that you've spoken into my life. Still I trust you. Still I believe. Even when I can barely breathe. Still I trust you. Through the flood, you are faithful, you are good. Still I trust you. Still I believe. Even when I can barely breathe. Still I trust you. Through the flood, you are faithful, you are good. I ran so far, I lost my way. Covered in guilt, too ashamed to pray. I thought my past would never leave, till mercy came running after me. Your mercy found me in my shame. Pulled me out of all my chains. When I was far, you came so close. Your mercy found me, now I'm whole. You didn't see what I had done. You only saw who I could become. You called my name, I turned around. Grace was the only thing I found. Your mercy found me in my shame. Pulled me out of all my chains. When I was far, you came so close. Your mercy found me, now I'm whole. pulled me out of all my chains. When I was far, you came so close. Your mercy found me, now I'm whole. The valley's deep, the road is long. Some days I feel like I'm not strong, but every step you're still right here, holding my heart, calming my fear. Jesus, you're my keeper, my defense. You never leave, you never bend. Through every trial, through every night, Jesus, you're my keeper, my life, my life, my life, my life. When I fall down, you lift me up. When I'm empty, you fill my cup. I may be weak, but you are strong. You've been my shelter all along. Jesus, you're my keeper, my defense. You never leave, you never bend. Through every trial, through every night, Jesus, you're my keeper, my life, my life, my life, my life. Jesus, you're my keeper, my defense. You never leave, you never bend. Through every trial, through every night, Jesus, you're my keeper, my life, my life, my life, my life. Na 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 no, yeah yeah. A desperate cry that brings breakthrough. Every plan fell through my hands. All I had left was a hope so frail, and a trembling voice in the middle of the jail. Jesus, I call your name, and the walls start to break. Jesus, I call your name, and my night turns to day. There is power when I pray. You never let me go, even when I let you down. You never let me go, when my faith fell to the ground. When I was weak, you held me close. You never let me go. I fell again, I lost my way. I made the same mistakes I swore I'd escape. I hid my face, I felt the shame, but you were reaching for me just the same. You never let me go, even when I let you down. You never let me go, when my faith fell to the ground. When I was weak, you held me close. You never let me go. I tried to run, I tried to hide, but mercy kept chasing me through the night. You called me yours when I fell low. You never let me go. You never let me go, even when I let you down. You never let me go, when my faith fell to the ground. When I was weak, you held me close. You never let me go. You never let me go, even when I let you down. You never let me go, when my faith fell to the ground. When I was weak, you held me close. You never let me go. You never let me go. You never let me go. When I was weak, you held me close. You never let me go. I buried dreams I used to believe, laid them down with my grief. Every prayer felt empty and dry, like all my hope had learned to die. But from the ashes I rise again, by the power of your gentle hand. What the fire tried to destroy, you turned it into strength and joy.
Mr. Zion.
Jesus, you are my star. In the morning light, in the darkest hour, when I feel weak, oh, full of power, in every season, right or wrong, Jesus, you are my song. Jesus, you are my song, my melody, my praise, the rhythm of my heart, the sound of all my days. When my voice is gone, you carry me along. Jesus, you are my song. Jesus, you are my song. When words fall short and tears run deep, when promises are all I keep, through every trial, through every calm, I still lift you with this song. Jesus, you are my song, my melody, my praise, the rhythm of my heart, the sound of all my days. When my voice is gone, you carry me along. Jesus, you are my song. Oh, Jesus, you are my song. Jesus, you are my song, my melody, my praise, the rhythm of my heart, the sound of all my days. When my voice is gone, you carry me along. Jesus, you are my song. Jesus, you are my song. Jesus, you are my song. My heart belongs to you, only you. Oh, I've chased the world, I've chased my dream. I tried to fill this space in me. But every road I ever knew led my broken heart to you. My heart belongs to you, only you. Every breath I breathe is my scars, you saw my fear. Yet you still pulled me closer near. You traded ashes for something true. Now all I am belongs to you. My heart belongs to you. Only you. Every breath I breathe is for your truth. No turning back, I'm making it new. My heart, my life belongs to you. voice fades away when you draw near. All of my doubt, all of my fear, the weight on my chest starts lifting somehow. Heaven is touching the ground right now. I'm wrapped in your presence, covered by peace. Every broken part of me finally breathes. I don't need answers, I just need you. Wrapped in your presence, making me new. So quiet, so strong, healing my heart with a simple song. I came in heavy, I'm leaving restored, because I've been standing in front of the Lord. I'm wrapped in your presence, covered by peace. Every broken part of me finally breathes. I don't need answers, I just need you. Wrapped in your presence, making me new. I don't have words, I only cry. These tears are all I bring tonight. My heart is tired, my soul is worn. Still I kneel down on this broken floor. I give you my tears, I give you my pain, I give you my heart with nothing to claim. I don't understand, but still I'm here. Lord, I surrender. I give you my tears. Oh, oh. feet. Every care, every fear, I lift my heart in surrender. Lord, you hear. Take my life, take my all, make me complete. I lay it at your feet. No more striving, no more fight. I rest in you, my guiding light. Every burden, every plea, I lay it down, I am free. I lay it at your feet. Every care, every fear, I lift my heart in surrender. Lord, you hear. Take my life, take my all, make me complete. I lay it at your feet. Your glory fills this room.
Mr. Zion.
Yeah. The air is thick, the spirit moves, hearts awaken, lifted in truth. I see your light, I feel your flame, and nothing here is ever the same. Your glory fills this room. We lift your name. Heaven touches earth. Nothing stays the same. Every heart, every voice we lift to you. Your glory fills this room, making all things new. Walls can't hold what heaven sends. Your presence breaks and it transcends. I bow in awe, I lift my song. Your glory has been here all along. Your glory fills this room. We lift your name. Heaven touches earth. Nothing stays the same. Every heart, every voice we lift to you. Your glory fills this room, making all things new. Your glory fills this room. We lift your name. Heaven touches earth. Nothing stays the same. Every heart, every voice we lift to you. Your glory fills this room, making all things new. Your glory fills this room. We lift your name. Heaven touches earth. Nothing it stays the same. Every heart, every voice we lift to you. Your glory fills this room, making all things new. Before I even called your name, your love was reaching, calling me, pulling me close for all to see. You loved me first, before I knew. Your grace was there, always true. Even in my lost and wandering ways, you loved me first all my days. I can't repay, I can't deserve the love that flows without reserve. Yet here I stand, my heart renewed, forever held in love so true. You loved me first, before I knew. Your grace was there, always true. Even in my lost and wandering ways, you loved me first all my days. Jesus, I'm alive again. Jesus, I'm alive again. Jesus, I'm alive again. My heart is yours, my soul redeemed. Yet in shadows I walked in chains. I felt the weight of all my pain. Then you came with fire and rain and breathed new empty hands and silent screams. My hope was thin, my strength was gone. I couldn't make it on my own. Jesus, you lift me when I can't stand. You reach for me with nail-scarred hands. You call my name, I rise again. Jesus, you lift me out of the pain. I walked through fire, I faced my fear. In the dark, you stayed right here. You spoke your life into my night and turned my sorrow into light. And Jesus, you lift me when I can't stand. You reach for me with nail-scarred hands. You call my name, I rise again. Jesus, you lift me out of the pain. Jesus, you lift me when I can't stand. You reach for me with nail-scarred hands. You call my name, I rise again. Jesus, you lift me out of the pain. Jesus, 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 Jesus. Ooh, yeah. I wandered far, I couldn't see. Blinded by pride and misery. And every path led me astray. Until you came and showed the way. I was lost until you found me. Broken and blind, yet you made me free. Your love reached down, called out my name. I was lost until you found me. Chains fell off, my heart revived. I opened my eyes, I'm alive. From darkness to your holy light. Your mercy saved me from the night. I was lost until you found me. Broken and blind, yet you made me free. Your love reached down, called out my name. I was lost until you found me. every step heavy with the rain. I thought my heart would break in two, then your gentle hand made all things new. You dried my tears, you calmed my fears, you lifted my soul above the years, from sorrow to joy, from night to day. Lord, you dried my tears and made me stay. Where once I mourned, now I sing. You turned my winter in a spring. Your love restored what was lost before. Now I'm alive, I'm whole once more. You dried my tears, you calmed my fears, you lifted my soul above the years, from sorrow to joy, from night to day. Lord, you dried my tears and made me stay. You dried my tears, you calmed my fears, you lifted my soul above the years, from sorrow to joy, from night to day. Lord, you dried my tears and made me stay. You dried my tears, you calmed my fears, you lifted my soul above the years, from sorrow to joy, from night to day. Lord, you dried my tears and made me stay. Refuge in the storm, when the heart is filled with doubt and fear. I run to you, my hiding place, my shelter found in your embrace. Jesus, my safe place, my hiding tree. No storm can shake, no fear can reach me. I rest in you, my soul secure. Jesus, my safe place, forever sure. Jesus, my safe place, my hiding tree. No storm can shake, no fear